Hi everyone, I'm back from my 100-day project. So this is day 3 after so many months. So I'm going to do a honeycomb Christmas ornament and I hope you can join me. This is what I'm going to be doing. So first off, these are the supplies we'll need. Old book pages, a pair of scissors, glue, and a string. This is actually not my book, but it's an old book left by a previous tenant. And so I'm going to be tearing pages on this. We'd need about 20 to 30 pages to make this Christmas ornament. So if you can see, I'm pretty careful in tearing it up because I don't want to destroy the old page. I still want it to be kind of intact. So if you can see, I'm going to speed up the video in some parts so that I can compartmentalize this video. So there, I think this is more than 20 pages already. And what we're going to do now is to fold it lengthwise. Now that I've folded everything else, I'm going to be using a pencil to draw an outline of half of the ornament. It doesn't really have to be perfect, you just need to basically have an idea of what shape you want for your Christmas ornament. There, so now what we're going to do is we're going to be cutting it along those lines and basically just copy everything from the first cut that we make and just trace everything on the rest of the pages. Now we have our glue to glue some points on the cut shapes and just glue them together. So it's still pretty wet. I'm going to be putting a book to bind everything, and let it dry a bit. So with this string, I'm just going to be cutting a few inches of the string so that we can use it as a string to hang the ornament. And just get your glue and put some glue on the spine of the entirety of the glued pages. So now that we've glued the spine, I'm going to put the string and let the loop hang out of the pages. All done, and that was day 3 of my 100-day project. I'll see you again on day 4. Thank you for watching.